As a self-producing musician, I've been using microphones for a number of years now. I started off with low-quality microphones that are attached to earbuds, like this one. After realizing you actually need an external microphone to record at a higher quality, I switched to a blue snowball microphone, which I used all throughout middle school. However, I came across a problem. Whenever I recorded vocals with the blue snowball, the result turned out fine. However, when I tried recording an electric guitar through an amp with it, the result was less than desirable. So I had to switch to an SM57. This begs the question, how come recording the same thing with two microphones yields such drastically different results? The answer is that the blue snowball is a condenser microphone, and the SM57 is a dynamic microphone. Let's break these two microphones down. A dynamic microphone is a microphone that converts sound into an electrical signal by means of electromagnetism. It converts sound into audio via a moving electrically conductive diaphragm, a permanent magnetic structure, and electromagnetic induction. Those are a lot of big words, so let's break those down. The diaphragm and a coil in the dynamic microphone are attached to each other, and the coil is wrapped around the magnet. Whenever audio interacts with this diaphragm, it causes the coil to move within the magnetic field. This causes an electrical current in the wire, which can then be stored for future use. A condenser microphone still converts audio into electrical energy, but it does it through different means. It consists of a diaphragm case, and a backplate. The diaphragm and backplate are close-knit with a little bit of space between them. When sound is projected onto this microphone, the space between the diaphragm and the backplate changes, which results in an electrical current. So why have two microphones? Well, some instruments are more effectively recorded with one type of microphone instead of another. For example, take electric guitar and bass amplifiers. It's a good idea to record these with dynamic microphones like the SM57 because of how much buzz and distortion occurs through these amplifiers. However, it may be a good idea to record vocals with condenser microphones to fully capture the frequencies and the voice. So how does this apply to art? Well, it's important to know what type of microphone to use whenever we're recording audio for art. If we're recording sounds that are loud and abrasive, a dynamic microphone would be suitable. However, if we want to get a more full picture of a sound, condenser microphones do the trick. Here's an example. I used a condenser microphone for this performance in order to capture my voice. This is from a performance I did at the Houston Contemporary Museum. Take a look.
Then Sunday.